the storms roll in and the skies turn gray, when the floodwaters rise and wash homes away, you are there with open hearts, bringing light into the dark, through the wind and through the rain, standing strong through loss and pain, with gentle hands and courage bright.